Hey guys, welcome to T's Creative Corner. My name's T, and this is my creative corner of YouTube where I do fun art videos anywhere from challenges to simple time lapses. In today's video, I have yet another sketch sesh. Sketch sesh is where I just do a sketch in my sketchbook and talk about different topics. Today's topic is not at all too lengthy because it's more something I need to practice rather than just talk about. But I figured I could let you guys know what's going on. First, let me get to the materials for this sketch sesh. I used the April's Copic colors, which are E04, E41, and E47. Copic just started doing Copic colors of the month beginning of this year, and it's awesome for people who want to start their collection, like myself, but don't really know where to begin. Plus, you're getting 3 markers for $15. That's only $5 a marker that are typically $7 to $8. I do know that this sketchbook is not made for markers, but learning to use the bleeding of the ink has become part of my technique. I haven't mastered it yet. This is only my 3rd Copic marker drawing ever, but I'm starting to get the hang of it, I think. I learned a lot from my May Copic color sketch, mostly just how much pressure I need to use and how to layer the inks to get the colors to really blend. I also use my colorless blender for when I want to lighten and blend the ink to the paper. I have sketched the subject out with my Tombow mechanical pencil I got from my May Art Snacks, my handy dandy white jelly roll for highlights, my brown Copic multi-liner I got in my April Art Snacks box where I broke the fine tip, so I have to use it very gently, and last but not least, my kneaded eraser I got at my local Hobby Lobby. For today's drawing subject, I decided to draw the beautiful, amazingly confident, and highly fashionable Jasmine from BuzzFeed. She emulates everything I want to be, which is confident in my own skin, extremely successful. For those who don't know, she has her own beret line and just started a new series on BuzzFeed, as is, called Feed Famous. I highly recommend you check it out. The picture was from a video she did called I Wore a Bikini to the Beach for the First Time, and I didn't realize till now it's actually the thumbnail for the video. Today's topic is drawing for me. Since I started my YouTube channel and art Instagram, I haven't really just drawn for myself. If I make anything now, it has to be for someone, for a video, or for a post. I don't just sketch anymore because for some reason I got into my head that if I'm not drawing for something, I'm wasting my time. Or if I'm doing this awesome drawing but not recording the process, I wasted an opportunity for a new video. I'm not sure if other artists have gone through this dilemma or maybe it's just me, but no matter, I know it's a problem because art used to be my escape from the world, my source of therapy, stress relief, and I need to get that back. Lately, all it's been is just more stress. I've made it more of my job and not something that I can escape from my actual full-time job. I actually used to carry around a sketchbook with me everywhere, and I filled that in 5 months. I've never filled a sketchbook before that from cover to cover, and I just drew whenever, on my lunch break, at the store, visiting family, on vacation. I need another sketchbook for that. This sketchbook I'm drawing in now, I'm going to leave for sketch sesh and do my finished pieces in here. But I'm going to have another sketchbook I can bring around and doodle in again, so I can draw for me. That's all I have to say for this sketch sesh. I hope you enjoy me finishing this piece up, and I'll talk to you guys at the end of the video. is my final drawing of the beautiful Jasmine from BuzzFeed. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and check out my other videos in my Sketch Sesh series, or Art Snacks, or Painting Time Lapses. If you'd like to see more of my work, you can check me out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and VERO, all at Tease Creativity, one word, or go to my website linked below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.